We developed this aquaponics lab. The students monitor water quality for the fish. That same water circulates over into the plant growing beds. The science department and the family and consumer science department partnered together to make a class called Food Science and the Environment. We have a high tunnel here where those same food science environment students take care of the winter high tunnel, and they grow lettuce and carrots and other cool season crops in the late fall all the way through till mid-December. In the past, we've gotten 50 pounds of spinach for the cafeteria and the salad bar every few weeks through the spring. And then late spring and May, we get our summer crops put in, and we actually have a team of high school students who get credit over the summer to manage the high tunnel like a farm. We call them agripreneurs. So they develop relationships with businesses or other community members. They get to choose who they want to sell their crops to. This year we're growing tomatoes and basil, which is all being sold to the local pizza place.
The Slice from WDSE WRPT.